1. The empath picks up on someone who has an issue or a problem through the emotional energy they are expressing, even if they are not saying anything, because they are a highly tuned receiver of this type of energy. This is a form of absorption on the empath's part and projection on the other person's part. 2. The empath naturally reacts in a compassionate way, in order to set the person at ease in the empath's presence. This is a form of projection. And by copying their mannerisms, facial movements, hand gestures, posture, and whatnot, it also becomes a form of introjection, in that the empath takes on the characteristics of the other person. 3. The empath then sets about finding the cause of the negative emotional energy. And the person, sensing someone who is willing to listen and help, opens up and shares their issues or problems. This is again the empath projecting to the other person that they are interested in listening and willing to help. And the projection of the issue, verbally, by the other person. 4. And as the other person speaks, the empath begins to connect the dots, in that the emotion connects with the issue or problem. Thus they begin to absorb the other person's problems, emotional energy, and see through the other person's eyes. 5. The empath begins to identify with this issue as though it were their own, based on their own experiences that closely relate to the other person's issue or problem, and help to find a resolution to the problem. And as they share this resolution, even if it is only calming words of comfort, emotional energy transmutation occurs, because the energy that was absorbed by the empath is being transmuted into something much lighter, loving, and caring, which leaves the other person, if not with a resolution, then feeling like they are not alone and their feelings have been validated. This is a multi-layered process that is done on many different levels such as energy, verbal, non-verbal, physical, mental, emotional, and even spiritual. And it's all based on the sharing and interaction of energy, emotional energy,